about to get hit by it. Stop it. Yay, Jack!
Yeah, I got that.
Alright. Why don't you bring out a lot of them and fight them all at the same time?
That was
I know.
the finale. There's like 3 of them.
Next time bring us 2 over. Bring 2 over, okay?
No!
Yeah, next time bring like 2 or 3 over.
Yeah, the small one.
Bring over 3 small ones. Alright, 2 or 3. Here, get ready.
Mikey, move. Yeah. And when you jumped out, he was sitting right next to you.
Ready? Play these minis as can. We might not get them all far.
Stand up and walk.
Watch your face!
Move!
Move, yo.
Yo!
I think once they were lighting each other off.
The one closest to me, the green ones didn't light, yeah.
Corey?
I need a lighter.
I need a lighter.
No, he should not be carrying a lighter. Why would he be carrying a lighter?
All you see is Corey's white legs across my screen.
Move, Corey.
Watch out!
Get out of it, Corey.
Uh-oh.
Over and just set the thing on fire.
Yeah, these ones are kind of little and boring.
Oh, that was cute.
Corey, here. Hey, look at Tadpole. Corey. That's your
Bring them all out. Hang on, hang on.
These are kind of little and boring.
Now we have more of them right here.
Alright.
Hang on. Bring it like this.
Yeah, put them in separate places, like,
Wait,
face
get
them out.
rid of the old. Get rid of the old. Get rid of the old. Get off the board. All the old ones off the board. There we go.
Look at all that smoke. Wait, that's not from us. That's coming from over there. Fireflies! I see them!
Are you serious?
I see 2 of them. One's down there and one's right over there past the dog. And I saw a 3rd one in the trees. 4. Wow. That's crazy. 5. 6. Huh?
Damon, get a lighter.
Whatever.
Well, I want Damon out here. Damon! Damon!
Damon!
Damon, come here, Damon!
I just want to get towards that.
Where's your lighter?
Ooh! Corey, move!
I don't have a lighter. Stop moving.
Corey, you should have done the one further back! Whoa!
That was cool.
That was, kind of failed. Woo! Look at the smoke.
Yeah!
Oh, there's a dog.
Yeah!
Wait, back up.
Ah, that one stood up!
Yeah!
That one stood up on its own. That's crazy. Watch out! The board's hot.
It's a big one.
Guys, watch out!
Ah!
Boy, there's one next.
Yo!
That one's gone. That one lit the bottom end too at the same time.
It looks like we don't
What do
have
you got
to
next? What's up next?
It looks like we don't have to take that one off.
Wait. Watch out. What do we got next?
Not all of those at the same time. Still. One at a time.
Hi, Corey.
One at a time, Corey.
One at a time, Corey? No, one at a time.
No, one at a time.
Because it'll last longer, yeah.
It may last longer, but it looks crappy. All 3
How about if we do these one at a time?
No.
Okay,
All
we'll
right,
do
just go
those
with it.
one at a time.
Just please.
I want to do one of these. I want to do one of these all together.
All right, fine. We'll do the boxes.
I want to do one of them all together.
Hey, Maya.
Yo, let's get this going.
Okay, I want to do one of them all together. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I see them through the tree.
Hurry up, hurry up!
Back up.
Back up, back up!
Alright, go.
Go!
Oh my god.
Yeah!
Oh, the smoke in the face.
Yeah!
Oh my god, that's beautiful.
It smells like burnt butt.
I know, but isn't that beautiful though?
He doesn't take any steps to on fire. Oh no!
That one's still going.
You gotta go after. Was that the grand finale?
No.
Not even close. Mom, you'll know when it's the grand finale. Trust me.
Go those 4.
This is gonna be over quick.
I know, they're putting them all together. It's gonna be done in like 5 minutes.
Okay, hey, wait. Maya doesn't want to do them all at the same time.
Like, put 2 on the board at least.
Yeah,
2 at the same
2 at a
time?
time.
2 at a time.
2 at a time.
Alright, it may be done fast, but at least it's cool.
Well, we don't want to be done in like 5 minutes. Seriously. Besides, they all do the same thing anyway.
Yeah, but they're all doing the same thing at the same time.
Oh, I like that one. It has pink.
I know, right? It's pretty colorful.
No.
Corey!
Those ones you have to buy illegally.
I got beetles all up in my hair.
Oh my god, that was terrific. When it was like landed right here.
Careful, Haley. Just get too close. Whoa! That touched my foot, but I didn't feel it.
That one touched Lisa's foot.
That was crazy.
Dad.
A spark touched my foot.
Dude, one at a time.
Ready?
Here we go.
I got these 2 right here.
Oh, you didn't get it, dude. Oh.
Watch, wait.
Corey, you would.
Corey is so stupid.
Corey got it.
Still got it. Good job, Corey.
Yeah, I got hit in the foot. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that.
Yeah, grab it. I got this.
He's like, I got this, homie.
Oh! Corey, I got mad at you!
Oh, yeah.
He's like, try to stop me out.
Pick me up!
Hit one left. Hit one left.
If the kid does it again.
Take it off. Come on, Naya. Next.
Yeah, I'm right here.
One at a time.
One at a time.
Maya, one at a time or together?
Doesn't matter.
Hey, I backed up everybody.
Hey, watch
because
out.
About to explode.
Yeah, you wanted it to explode on you, huh?
Yeah, here we are. Back up a little bit. That's what I was thinking. Yeah. Good. I'm good.
Yeah, we did that note together.
Yeah, we showed up.
This one right though.
Oh, well. Because there's only like 2 big ones and then there's 3 huge ones. I like that, though. I like what Corey did. Watch out, Haley. The down's everywhere popping again. Let me back to her.
Hid behind the car.
You don't see me! Too much smoke!
Live in there, don't get in there.
Alright, I guarded that one. And that one's dying.
Woo!
Same time.
I see. Yo, look at the trees!
Maya, we're going to do all
I know,
three.
they got the illegal file.
Ready?
Yeah, those are illegal.
Oh well, at least they're pretty.
Yeah, you have to get to Pennsylvania to get them.
No, that was fine.
Come on, Corey.
One of those fuckers got it.
It's like hell.
Whoever made fireworks, they did a good job.
I know. up! Go, go, go! That would have been pretty. But that would actually look really nice with all of them. Too bad.
If you look up,
I know, it's tilting.
and then it looks like rain, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Something like that.
It's called.
Sparkling Glory.
Coming up, right up there.
Had to back up for those. TJ!
I just got one of my eyes.
Here we go, grand finale, people.
Hey,
Grand
hey,
finale.
grand finale! Wait, set them up right.
1, 2, 3. Nice.
Back it up, back it up!
Back
up! Last of them.
Standing ovation. Whoa, Haley, back up, quickly! Woo!
Nice, in the middle.
Look at this. So pretty. Whoa! Everybody move that!
One was the one that, like, stuck.
Oh.
Oh my god.